There are hundreds of dinosaur bone beds all over the world, including the US, where the Morrison Formation covers 13 states and 700,000 square miles. Thousands of torn-apart dinosaurs are buried here in hundreds of mass graves, with many found in the classic death pose with their necks arched back, choking as they died. Museum signs everywhere even admit they died in a watery catastrophe. Some dinosaurs are even found mummified, with tree leaves, flowers, ferns, shrubs, and algae still in their stomach. Dinosaurs are even found buried with marine creatures. Isn't a global flood the best explanation for this? Scientists have been discovering soft tissue in dinosaur bones. Just in the last 20 years, over 50 articles have been published in scientific journals that have documented 14 bioorganic materials in dinosaur bones that simply cannot be millions of years old. These include blood vessels, red blood cells, hemoglobin, bone cells, ovalbumin, chitin. Many dinosaur bones are even found unfossilized in places like Madagascar, Alaska, and Montana. Collagen, which has a maximum shelf life of about 900,000 years at 40 degrees. With a maximum shelf life of less than 1 million years, what's collagen doing in dinosaur bones that are supposedly 65 million years old? Limited DNA, skin pigments, FEX proteins, histones, keratin, and elastin. Just 20 years ago, most scientists simply assumed dinosaur bones were solid mineralized impressions of bones. But modern science has now revealed that many of the dinosaur bones are original, even at the molecular level. The fact that over a dozen states in the US are filled with dinosaur fossils buried under heaps of mud also attests to the flood. In fact, geologists have found what was a temporarily exposed dinosaur peninsula where the dinosaurs made their last stand, now buried there along with lake and sea life transported by the massive waves. Deposits thousands of feet thick occur east and west of this temporarily exposed peninsula that extended from Minnesota to New Mexico. Now buried across it are pre-flood wetland plants and animals, including dinosaurs, turtles, frogs, fish, and many birds. You've probably heard a million times that the Earth is billions of years old, but have you ever thought this just might not be the case? The Bible's timeline puts humans and everything else here just thousands of years ago, and even modern genetics is starting to admit this is the case, discovering that DNA mutation rates are much faster than expected. Yes, everyone wants to talk about radiometric dating proving an ancient Earth, but did you know that when scientists date rocks of known ages, they always date older than they actually are, most of the time by millions of years? They also find carbon-14 in coal and diamonds, further proving a young Earth. The 16 types of fresh soft tissues they're finding in dinosaur bones also isn't helping the idea of millions of years. Watch our dating video here and click below to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.